Question number 2. Evaluate the length of BC in the triangle ABC, in which angle B is a right angle. So if I draw a triangle, because the question says, first make a rough sketch of the triangle. So I'll make a rough sketch of a triangle. Let's do it where it gets its snap. That's a right angle triangle there. And they say angle B is 90 degrees. You happy with that?
Yes, sir.
Evaluate the length of BC. That last one should be C. So let's call this length of BC what we want to find. So we want to find the length of BC, the red one.
Yes, sir.
The triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90. Angle A is pi over 4. Pi over 4 is how many degrees? How do you change from, let me show you what to memorize. You have to memorize is 180 degrees is equals to pi radian. Radian is that small c, that's the symbol. For degrees,
yes,
is the 0, and that's for radians. So that's the symbol for radians. That the little c there. And that's the symbol for degrees, the little O, little 0 there. 180 degrees is pi radians. Now, how do you go from, if you divide by 4, if you look here, there's a 4 underneath. So what do? You divide by 4, you divide by 4. 180 divided by 4.
45.
45 degrees is pi over 4. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
You divide by 4 on the left, divide by 4 on the right. So this is 45 degrees if you want to use it. So what would be this angle C equals to?
45.
45 degrees. No. And it tells us AB is 10. AB is 10. What kind of triangle has got two angles the same?
Isosceles.
Isosceles. So the two angles there, I put them in yellow. That angle is the same with this angle. So what kind of, it's an isosceles triangle. So that means BC would be, when two angles are the same, what happens to the two sides?
They're the same.
They're the same. So you can see how I figured that out. What did you find difficult in that part?
Just I didn't because I thought it was going to be like trigonometry at first, like
where you have to do some calculations.
Yes.
Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, sometimes questions like that, when you look at it, you sketch a diagram and you'll be surprised sometimes they come out straightforward. So excellent for that one. Let's move on to the next bit.